My name is Arlene. I am 65 years old. I live in beautiful Wellington, Florida, which is the horse capital of the world. Last August, I was diagnosed with breast cancer, and I had to go through 2 surgeries, and one of them was a partial mastectomy. And after that, I did the reconstruction. With the mastectomy, it brought about some pain, and so I started taking over-the-counter medicine. I was prescribed by my oncologist letrozole. It inhibits the production of progesterone and estrogen in my body, and the side effect of that drug is joint pain and insomnia. And I would wake up at different parts of the night, or it would take me 2 to 3 hours just to fall asleep. And I was probably asleep for maybe an hour or 2 and then wake up wide awake and not being able to fall asleep again. Emotionally and mentally, I could honestly say that I was drained and kind of at my wit's end as to how to cope with day-to-day life. Last year, before the surgery, before a diagnosis, I would go out to the barn daily. And then after the surgery, I only watched from the window. I don't think I was really depressed, but I was suppressed. And not being able to lift things, not even being able to get out of bed in the morning. I was secluded to the house. I was introduced to hypo-CBD by a friend who experienced some of the similar problems that I had with cancer and the side effects. I tried it that night that she gave it to me, and immediately I felt relaxed. And not that I was really expecting that, but when I put my head on the pillow, I kind of took a deep breath and was able to fall asleep within a matter of 10 to 15 minutes versus 2 to 3 hours. I've been taking hypo-CBD now for 5 months, and the benefits of taking the spray is that my intestinal issues are gone because it's a spray that goes through my skin. I'm able to fall asleep quickly at night, and I wake up in the morning being able to get out of bed, put my feet on the floor, and do my daily tasks and enjoy life.